Hello again. Last month, I took the time to give you guys an update on my thoughts on the markets, some stock recommendations, asset allocation, and other sort of important, in my mind, issues for investors. That was mid-August, more or less, and it's been about a month since, and I thought I'd do an update since you guys liked especially the stock picks. I got 3 new stock picks for this month, starting with Nova Measuring Systems, symbol NBMI. Tech company, good balance sheet, good profitability, good prospects for the future, decent valuation, doing well right now. Looks like we should be a good hold for the next year or so. Next pick I have is PetMed Express, symbol PETS, online pharmacy for pets. And the third one is Expeditors International of Washington. Same reasons why I like that one too, as was the case for the reasons for my stock picks last month too. We're going to review how these things do at some point, likely a year from now, maybe 6 months from now as well. They're meant to be for a 6 to 12 month hold at least, and then reevaluation. Since mid-August, the market took a little bit of a dive and volatility picked up a little bit, especially with the technology sector that had been doing extremely well. But the market seems to have come back even since then. So S&P is roughly flat since about a month ago. Nasdaq and other markets a little bit different. Long term, nothing has changed much since about a month ago. We still like real assets, commodities and precious metals. We like equities, we like private equity, we like private debt, we like infrastructure and other such long-term assets. And what we don't like as much is, unfortunately, cash and other short-term investments and government bonds, as the yields are extremely low, and we expect inflation as soon as the economy picks up after the COVID restrictions and the resumption of economic activity and a return to somewhat normal economic activity resumes later this year, next year, early next year, late next year. At some point it's going to happen. Please consult with your investment advisor. At this point, we believe the asset allocation decision is extremely important, and I suspect many people hold a lot of cash, and we expect the value of the cash to be eroded over the next 10 to 20 years by perhaps more than 2%, which is the official inflation target by the central banks. It seems that it's in the Western nations' best interest to inflate the economies more than 2% so that they are able to repay the huge amounts of debt that they've undertaken for COVID and other reasons with money that's worth way less 10, 20, and 30 years out. There seems to be no choice at this point but this course of action for governments around the world. So cash, even though for some point when there's extreme volatility in the markets, may look good, longer term, 10, 20, 30 years out, will not be very good. Thank you, and look forward to your comments.